Hello, my dear friends. Welcome to Foetron Academy. My name is Harshwats, and today I will help you in understanding the workspace menu in Power BI service. Now, let's go further and talk about the point to be discussed in this video. So, in this video, we will particularly talk about mainly 2 points. In the first point, we will cover how does the workspace interface interact, and in the second option, I will tell you in detail how you can generate insights in your report using workspace interface and the many more things we will cover in workspace interface. Now to understand that we have to go in Power BI service which works online. Now to understand that we will go in a Microsoft Edge which is internet browser. Through that we will land on a Power BI service landing page. Now we are in Power BI service landing page in Microsoft Edge browser. So now if you want to know more about the interface of a Power BI service, you can go to my previous videos and see how does this interface interact. Now let's get back to the question of this video about my workspace interface. So where you will find my workspace first. So in the left side of the Power BI service, you will see several options in the navigation pane. When I click on it, it will hide. Again, when I click on it, it will be shown in your Power BI service. So there are two things you can explore my workspace from. So if I directly click on it, you will see the dashboard, reports, workbook, datasets in your my workspace, and if you click on the expand option you will click these things: dashboard, reports, workbooks and datasets in here also. So I will close this one for now because in my previous videos I have covered everything in here. Now we particularly talk about the interface of the my workspace only. So these dashboard which we have created in my previous videos is now available in my workspace, and it is divided into four segments. First of all, we will talk about the dashboard. Dashboard is where you will see your visualization which you have pinned from the reports. So in here we have the reports, in here we have a dashboard. Now for each name we have actions, owner, sensitivity. That means action is one of the important thing you should look for in the My Workspace interface. Now we have a share option in here. Actions you can directly share from here any particularly dashboard you want. You have a view related options which we have discussed in previous videos. Like when I click on it, you will see how it is related to other reports and data sets. So I will close for now. Now the also other option, that is settings. We will cover that in futures, and after that we have a delete option. You can delete any of the dashboard from just clicking on the actions and after that clicking on the delete option. Now I hope I have covered everything in a dashboard. So if I click on something, I will be directed to our dashboard. So again I will go in my workspace. After that, covering the dashboard, we will go into the report section. So in report, we have two reports: population project and report total. So now you will see there are few things that has been added in our actions. Now we have a share option, but we also have an quick insight option. That is the critical option if you want to know a quick insight of your data set. So I will show you how this option works. So I will click on it. You will see searching for insights. It will take a few seconds to do that. After that, it will create an insight of your data set and it will be shown in your Power BI service. So now you can see insights are ready. So when I click on view insights, you will see it will create a certain changes in your data set and create certain visualization. You can see it now. You can see it is saying the population total is trending upwards. Now this is nothing that you have created. This is just a quick insight of your data sets. Now if you explore, Dim age group shows several trends. After that, senior and adult have noticeably more age group. That is for sure because they are much more older. But most of this does not make sense, but certainly you can understand the epitome or quick insights of your data. You can see 44 has a relatively steady percent in population total. After that, Asia has noticeably more population total. After there is correlation between population total and population average. Now population total of age group is trending upward than seasonality. You can see everything has several trends. Senior adult have noticeably more age group for region Africa. Now this is things which gives you an insight, quick insight of your data set. 30 to 34 has a relatively steady for total population. So this is how you just create a quick insight of your data sets. And it's a lot of several data which will give you a whole lumbersome work to understand your data set. So now we will again go back to our My Workspace. So I will click on it. So in a report section, so we have covered the quick insight. After that view related option, when I click on it, you will see it is linked to the dashboard and data sets. As I have already told you in my previous things, after that setting, delete and duplicate option. Report section, we have a workbooks. There's nothing much to discuss in a workbook section because most of things are related to Excel. So we will cover it in one of our future videos that how the workbooks interact, but basically it's where the Excel file will be found. After that we have a data sets, which is one of the important thing in our Power BI service. So there are few changes in action you will see. Now you have a create report that you already know how to create it. So for just learning sake, I will click again on it. Now you will be directed into the visualization section. You can create a new report from the data set. So again, I will click on my workspace again, get back to the data sets. We have a refresh option. We have a schedule refresh. We have a view related content. We have a more options that is delete, view inside, security, rename, setting, and manage permission. So after this, these two things are the most important. Like in my previous videos, I have told you in the dashboard reports and data sets, we have a refresh option, but that doesn't work. Why? So for now, when I click on a refresh now, you will see it is preparing for refresh. That means refresh failed due to gateway configuration issue because we haven't configured or produced any gateway in our Power BI service with our local computer. That's why it is not just refreshing. So for example, like in Power BI desktop, if I create something and which is led to in Power BI service, so the data set is same. Now after certain point of time, I get to know that I want to make certain amendment in our data set. So this is the option where you will directly see if you create a gateway, it will be directly make changes in Power BI service from its own side and make amendment in your dashboard reports and everything if it has a gateway. So how do you do that? We will cover in our future videos. So for now, I will close it and again go into my workspace, again into data sets. Again, there is another option that is schedule refresh. You will be directed toward the data set options that is gateway connection, data source, credential parameters, and everything. You can use a schedule refresh options, everything. So where you can download a gateway connection from. So you can click on it and data gateway. So you can download it from, but I will cover separately in my future videos how you can download a gateway and particularly which gateway is required to do what thing will be specified in that video. So with this point, I am going to end this video and I hope your queries got cleared. And if not, kindly write us in comment section. We will surely get back to you. And if this video helps you in any way, kindly drop us a like and don't forget to subscribe our channel for amazing videos in future. Till then, have an amazing and good day.